Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Marshayla, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. Today it's all about this right here, this look, this wig. It's really about this hair. This makeup was like super easy and simple, but hair was what I struggle with. This is the first time I ever put my own lace front wig on. I'm saying it ain't come out bad for the first time. It could come out worse, but I'm saying it ain't that bad. I can wear it outside. I'm enjoying it. So I'm saying I like her a lot. I did a pretty good job. It's a lot of work. I'm not gonna knock it. It was a process for sure, but I guess if you keep doing the process, it'll be easier. But yeah, this is a 613 blonde. I never did blonde hair before. I'm just stepping out of the comfort zone. I'm trying to serve y'all looks, okay? You hear me? If you want to see how I got this look, and if you want to see this makeup in another video with these brows, let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well. So let's get into it. Here's a tag for the wig. I got this at the hair store. She was only $80. This is Perfect Hairline 13x4 lace wig. I could do a center part, left part, top knot. Okay, versatility. This is in the style Tianna, and this is in the color 613. Here she is. Here is the lace. Looks pretty good, right? I'll show you the inside of the wig. I have some clips, a little band. And then this is like the lace front, so you can do like free part, all types of stuff. It came with baby hairs already, you could tell. And it came like pre-plucked. But I might have to pluck it again, I'm not sure yet. But we'll see. She's a bulb. What's your name, B.O.B., so they're calling you Bob. Stop playing, nigga, you know that I'm known, but I'm couple hit songs calling you what a heart throb. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, I'm starting off with Miss Got to Be to lay this cap down on my head. Don't mind my sister in the back. We was both trying to put the frontals on, okay?
Tianna, is that you?
Now I'm trying the wig on to see how it looks. So far so good. See how I need to position it on my head before I glue it down. And this right here, this is where it start going downhill. The cap starts sliding back. I guess I pulled it down too far, and then I applied that glue and the makeup, and it just started lifting. Like, I couldn't even push it down. I'm like, Markia, should I start over? She's like, you got one more wig cap. So that's what I did, y'all. I took it off and I started over because it was not gonna be laid with the cap lifting already. All right, y'all, it's the next day. Don't mind my I got some acne that I'm trying to get together before I put my makeup on. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see the hair. Is it giving? Like, I think she's giving. I never had blonde hair before, so it's like so crazy looking at myself. Like, and for a bitch who never put a wig on by herself, first time, I think I did pretty good. Only like a little bit of baby hair out on this side. So I'm gonna do like, I'm just gonna do a left side, and I did put some makeup on it because it was just looking real wiggy at the top, and I ain't like that. I want it to look like scalp. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm cutting me some layers in the front of the hair just to give it a little something. Cause she was looking real plain Jane, so I had to spice her up. Hold on. I think I just did something, y'all. Hold on. It's giving. All right, you guys, and that is the finished look. What do you guys think? I love it. I can't even lie. I love it. And like, this wig is actually really good for $80. Like, damn. I'm serving like a different type of look. I love like when I serve out like a different look, and it's just like, I did not bleach my brows. I put concealer on my brows because I'm like, let's go for the full fantasy. Why not? I'll leave all the details for the wig down below in the description box. Let me know in the comments if you like this look. Let me know what's good. If you feeling it, what's up? You like it or no? You like it or no? I'm pleasantly surprised. I look like another person, honestly. But I like that. Still Marshayla, but another version. That's what I like. I like that. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next